Hi friends, let's discuss 13 critical mistakes which we must stop making on WhatsApp. In part 1 of the video, we have already covered 6 critical mistakes. In this video, which is part 2 of the video, we'll cover 7 critical mistakes. Seventh mistake is that we must stop adding WhatsApp media files in phone's gallery. We need to remember that WhatsApp photos consume a lot of internal storage when saved in the gallery. There is no point storing good morning or good evening photos, silly jokes, or obsolete photographs in the gallery. We must disable this option in the settings menu. WhatsApp usage is increasing day by day and number of media files is also increasing multifold in the gallery. If the media file grows too big, this might hamper speed and performance of your phone. Eighth mistake is that you must avoid sharing unverified news or rumors on sensitive topics on your WhatsApp. This might land you into trouble. Police have an authority to dig out your WhatsApp chats to know whether you have played a role in sharing fake news to incite violence. Also, don't spread hate messages over WhatsApp on caste, race, religion, etc. WhatsApp policies and cybercrime laws are very strict on hate messages and rumors inciting violence, and you might land up in huge trouble. Ninth mistake is never open a WhatsApp account on someone else's name. This qualifies for impersonation and is a crime. If reported by actual user or the victim, you will land up in big trouble and will be investigated by cyber police. Laws as well as implementation of cybercrime is getting rigorous day by day, and also this is infringement of privacy. 10th mistake is to stop auto backup of chats on Google Drive or iCloud. Since this is not encrypted, end-to-end encryption is applicable only on WhatsApp chats and not on storage. So if some chats are very important and need to be saved, it's a good idea to export them and save them in your private laptop, desktop or hard drive, and ensure that it is password protected or encrypted so that nobody else could access them. Unnecessarily backing up of all the WhatsApp chats takes a lot of storage on the cloud and is often of little use. 11th mistake is stop saving WhatsApp messages forever if you don't need them. Every message is time bound and there's hardly a reason to save all the messages forever. You can use disappearing message feature to auto clean your WhatsApp chats after every 7 days. This feature has been launched in India a few months back. Unnecessary messages are eating up memory of your mobile. With time, WhatsApp messages have increased abundantly, and before you even know, it is impacting the speed and performance of different applications on your mobile. 12th mistake is not using additional layer of protection when you are using WhatsApp web on your desktop or laptop. With this feature, you will get a pop-up notice asking for face or fingerprint lock. This will ensure that someone else is not accessing your WhatsApp chats. This is a must if you are using WhatsApp web on public computers or shareable laptops or desktops. 13th mistake is don't be hesitant to report spam messages and block the sender. If you encounter spam messages and repeated texts, WhatsApp always advises you to report the message and block the sender. Nowadays, WhatsApp is used extensively for business purposes and it's very common to get unnecessary messages. It is recommended to perform due diligence before opening any attachment from unknown users. It could be virus, spyware or malware which could infect your mobile. It is advisable to block the sender and delete the attachment. These were the 13 critical mistakes which we should stop making on WhatsApp. Thank you so much friends. This is Dr. Vinod Singh. Goodbye.